Thinking of our future. Since it was founded 16 years ago, Lordhair has not only been committed to providing customers with the best quality products, but also committed to green living and recyclable products in production, sales, transport, and all other areas. Let's have a look at all the areas we at Lordhair work to reduce our environmental impact, curb our carbon footprint, and ensure ethical practices. Sustainable paper packaging. Plastic is harmful to the environment because it is not easily biodegradable. For this reason, we choose packaging that is made from paper and cardboard products, which are easily recyclable and biodegradable. Biodegradable and ethically sourced hair. We use pure human hair, which is biodegradable and does not pollute the environment. Human hair is soft and natural, as well as being the more environmentally friendly of options. It creates no compromise between caring for aesthetics and caring for the environment. Additionally, most hair is sourced from Indian temples, which is very commonly voluntarily donated as part of cultural practice throughout India. Ethical working standards. Our suppliers. As a company based in Qingdao, China, we operate our own factory and are located right near partner factories, forming extremely close relationships with our suppliers over the past 15 years. Our proximity to our suppliers has allowed us to visit regularly and continuously vet all of our factories to ensure strict adherence to ethical work practices in factories. All factory workers enjoy 8-hour workdays, holiday leave, and worker insurance. Effective treatment of waste. Waste from the production of wigs in the Lordhair factory is treated professionally to ensure that it will not pollute the environment when disposed of. Lordhair strives to help the environment through its actions and to be better each and every day.